Hi, it's Rosa Collado with Keller Williams, and in today's video, I'm going to go over what is the true cost of purchasing a property here in New York City. Whether it's a co-op, a condo, a single family, or a multi-family, you want to make sure you watch the entire video so that you can get as much details as possible so that you are ready with how much money you need to have. Now, you're thinking of buying a home in New York City, and it is more than just a down payment. Here's what you really need to budget for. Number one, let's just start with the obvious, right? Your down payment. Expect to put 10, 20% on some co-ops, and some condos require 25% or more. Now, there's a lot of banks there, FHA approved, that can approve you to get a mortgage for 3.5% down. Now, when you do purchase a property with 20% or less, do keep in mind that there is a mortgage insurance that you're going to have to pay for every single month. So let's just jump right into it. What are the closing costs? This can range between 2 to 5% of the purchase price, and it includes attorney fees, title insurance, lender fees, and if you're buying a property $1 million or more, there is the infamous mansion tax. So let's keep in mind, right? A closing cost of 2 to 5%. The attorney fees can range between 1,000 to maybe 3,500. The title insurance can be from 500 up to $3,000 or more. Appraisal and bank fees can vary, and I'm not an appraiser or a banker, so I can't give you that specific fee. And then also the mansion tax can go from 1% up to 3.9%. So when you add everything up, that's where we're coming with that 2 to 5% of the purchase price. Now, let's say that you're buying a co-op or a condo here in New York City. You want to add in the deposit, the board application fees, and sometimes you require a full-time maintenance to be held on escrow. So remember, for condos and co-ops, there's extras, right? You're looking at the application fees that sometimes if you don't get approved for that co-op or condo, your application fees, you're not getting it back. There's also a move-in deposit, and there's sometimes a 1 year maintenance and escrow. Now, do not forget inspection. To me, inspections are major because you're looking to marry this home. So you want to make sure upfront what are the issues with this property. So you're looking for an inspection between $300 to $700. Plus, if you're financing a condo or a house, there's a mortgage recording fee from 1.8% to 1.925%. Now, keep in mind, inspection can be $300 to $700, which you need to pay up front, right? Mortgage tax, which you're paying at the closing table, could be 1.8% if it's under 500,000, 1.925 if it's over 500,000, and for co-ops, there is no mortgage tax. Now, buying in New York City can be confusing, but you don't have to do this alone. You can call me at 917-833-0582, and I can break it down for you. Exact pricing, how much you're going to be paying, and more importantly, how much you're going to be paying a month. Because at the end of the day, not only is it important to know how much money you need to come out of pocket for the front end, but you also want to make sure that you're comfortable in making those monthly payments month after month. Now, if you have any questions or concern, you know that I'm here to help. Make sure you reach out. And if you have any questions or concerns, or comment below if you have been taken advantage of, or if you have more questions, or if maybe I missed something out on what are some extra fees that you may be paying. And I also do tell you that you need to have some extra money because you never know when you're buying a home, there's extra things that come along, repairs. You might have to paint, you might have to upgrade a bathroom or a kitchen. So keep that in mind also when you're purchasing a home here in New York City. Talk to you guys soon.